What's up, guys? Me and Mr. are here, and we are about to go on a bike ride. And you're coming with us. Coming with us. So, please subscribe. And like. And get me up to 100 likes and 99 subscribers. Not that hard, guys. I know you guys are watching my videos, but you don't want to subscribe. But please subscribe. I really need to get 99 subscribers and 100 likes. Like, so close. I will not close. Like, I'm almost at 50 for likes, but not almost at 50 for subscribers. So please subscribe and like. So I'm on the scooter. Payne's on her bike. You okay, Payne? Your chain. Just fine. Just ride it and then it'll come back on. Told you. So there goes Payne on my scooter. I guess I'm just gonna keep the phone like this, guys. I'm like going away. Feels like I'm going on a bike. Well, we are going on a bike ride. But look at what Payne, look at me do. Do not go fast because you know your chain. We're over here. We're going this way. Oh, why? No, don't go to the dumpster, Payne. That's disgusting. All right, come on, Payne. Here goes Payne. Get in front of me, Payne. There goes Payne. Yeah, guys. So, yeah. That's what we're doing today. Really fun. Yee! Whoop!
Sorry.
Come on, keep going. I'll tell you where to go. We're at the apartment. I'm not at my dad. You never see me at my dad's, actually. It's really fun there. See, you did. That's my dad. No, that was at the neighbors. You saw me play. That's when we did indoor football with the neighbors there. When we were inside, and not when we did that indoor football at my mom's house. When I said I did it at my dad's house. So yeah, let's just go. Chain popped off. Alright, park. We have to park whenever a chain comes off. Alright, guys. So I guess I get to you how I fixed my sister's bike. Yeah. Great. There, guys. Bike's all fixed. Bank and riding now. Grab the camera. So yeah, guys, that's how I fixed the bike. It's okay, man. Don't mess with it. Come on, let's go. Get in front of me. And don't go that fast on it then. Let's go. Where are you going? Why did we stop here?
Because I found my place.
I don't know what's going on.
What here?
What's going on? What is that?
It used to be coin, but it's all eaten.
Why did she do it? That's disgusting. Wait. Oh, I thought that would turn on.
It's not eaten. The coin is not eaten.
Yep, let's get our bikes and all that. Let's go start going. I wish Mama could ride the bikes. We want to go to John Kennedy and make a video about it?
Yeah.
Later, we can do it. Let's go ask Mom. Guys, we're going to go to John Kennedy. Alright, good. Guys, we're going to John Kennedy. Hopefully we can. I really hope we can go to John Kennedy though. But I'm going as fast as I can. I really want to ask. I really want to go to John Kennedy. So the video is probably going to be about, we did a bike ride, then we asked our mom to go to John Kennedy. Our bikes here when it's daytime, but when it's nighttime, leave our bikes all the way over there where you see more bikes.
In school.
Yep. That's all I thought about.
Mommy, you use the jacket, right?
Maybe this afternoon. I want to get some cleaning done, okay?
Okay. Want to be in the video for a second? Say hi.
Hi.
That did not sound like an exciting hi. Don't mind her. She's just mad about my sister because my sister likes to make a mess. Just why. Well, let's start going. Payne, you can be in front. What way are you going? I think you're going the wrong way, but okay. Hang on, guys. I have to itch. Whew. I'm really itchy today. Hold on. Yep, making a video.
What video?
About riding bikes, and we're gonna make a video about going to John Kennedy.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. Okay. All right. Have fun.
All right. That was a nice lady. I've never met her before. Whoa! go dog. Santa has to make it to town. Go dog. Santa has to make it to town. If I fall and it's out of video, it's all because of me, guys. 'Cause I'm really a cheat. Holy cow. Riding with one hand is pretty tricky. But I got it. Whoa! I almost fell. With one-handers. And where did my sister go? There she is. There she is. I'm going over here. Where's my sister going? Where'd my sister go? It's here. Where'd she go? Oh, there's it. Whoa. Go! Hang on. I'm coughing up a storm today. Pin, Zeus ain't home. Zeus ain't home. He moved, remember? Hey, guys. As you see. Okay. Oh, that crap. Good. Alright, guys. I know. As you can see, we are not at my apartment anymore. My apartment is right there, but keep going down, that's where it is. Huh. Same as me. Well, I'm going back. I'm going home.
It was cool.
You can go in front, Pan. You can go in front.
I'm done.
There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Come on, let's go. Catch up her. Come on, let's get it. Shoot. Chain. Chain alert. Chain alert. Yeah. Oh. Chain alert. Alright.
I need a bath.
Alright. Chain. Hi guys.
Huh?
I don't need a bath.
Okay guys. See you when we get to the park. Peace. Goodbye.